Every time. Yes, we're on the Bright Spark show again, but this time we're gonna give them the Foreigners Jamaican imitation style after this song. Yeah man, I are so nice.
Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I can see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah. I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away, yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl? Want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money with a face like that, do ya? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I can see you home with me, but you were with another man. I said, are you gonna be my girl?
Yeah man, we are back now. You know, we giving them Foreigners Jamaican imitation style. Rodrick, come take them away, man.
What a go on, man? Yeah, man, you know me there at the studio with the mother Bright Sparks.
So what you gonna tell me about it now, man? Tell me how the Jamaican thing a go on, man.
Yeah, man, you know, man. Yeah, man, you there. Right now, you know, say, yo. Yo, you know what's the man, you know, we're there. Right now, you know.
With the just a build a little vibes, you know, man. They are pretty too sexy girl over there, so, you know, man. Me say, yo. Me say, baby, come in, man. The girl don't want, so me start, again, the girl say, my youth, You think a bacon spray or spray boy? What it when you so man? So me say, I'm to the girl man. I'm to her drink.
Yeah, man, me don't know no man. Me don't know them girl a thinking a man. Them girl I don't know them girl a thinking a man. Man a piss off of them going like, yo, I don't know them going at them better man. You know them for do, them for glad say man a look them. You know, yo, yeah, I see don't know about me now, yo. Man, the girl in the chat star. You know, daddy, me dapa me BMW, daddy. 2 wheel line. I'm a girl a her daddy. Tell her man, the girl about she don't want no 2-wheeler BMW. And she can't find nothing better. And she walk foot. Sure.
Why you talk, man? Tell the people them about the stories, man.
Yo. Sometimes, you know, but I don't want them girls want them better than me, you know. Yo. Tell you, you know, man. Tell you a little story happened to me back in the days. You see when... So when I, cause I'm a Rasta, you know, I'm a lock star and everything. I'm say this pretty brown in, I'm say, psst, hello, lady. She go on like she don't answer. I'm say, hello, psst, lady. Young mister, I'm say, hello. Young man, come like you all let out here. We get cross the Simon. I say, yo, hey, look, girl, how you style up? Yo, how you style up? Go figure box, I say. But don't you know in a style. Don't you know.
Yeah, man, me tell you about the little get the girl name, man. It's some decent girl we like deal with still in a man. But my virgin Rajic, me nah go tell no lies, you know. You don't sound like a Jamaican man. You wanna know what you sound like? Me not even want to tell him, you know.
So you try to tell me I'm a Jamaican? You try to tell me I'm a Jamaican?
No, man, you're not Jamaican.
Yeah, boy, you try to tell me I'm a Jamaican?
No, man.
You're not a studio.
You're sure in Nigeria you come from.
You're not a studio, boy. Yo, a Jamaican man come from. Draw. My raw Jamaican. Yo.
You are Jamaican. You wish, man.
Talk about wish. Man know about the ghetto life. Yo.
The ghetto life.
Man know about the ghetto life. Man know, yo.
The ghetto life.
Yeah, how did the boy? Talk about the Jamaican I come from.
Because you know sound like no Jamaican, man. Yo, not so the people them say we sound like you not so like me, man. I know me na hear say, yeah, man. You need to go on back to Africa, man, and born back over. Yo, so me tell her next little thing, you know. They are pre-2 girl again, you know, man. I say, yo! I say, yeah, man, me go make a little step to them, you know. You see when I go sit so, I smell my breath. I say, John, no star. Can't chat to them, man. So, you know what I do? I just go in the room, you know, man. And I see a little ear freshener, so. See through the back, I say, ear freshener. I say, from the ear freshener, all type of ear freshener, mouth ear freshener. Every ear freshener, man. Ear for your head freshener. So I say, what? I spray some in my mouth. And see after that, my mouth was so fresh, fresher than Colgate. Me start get the girl them from everywhere and me do I say hi. And the girl them start feeling star. Me say, oh my god, your swag turn up. Start run me down star. Me even have to left the country. Rajic. Me even want to tell her the whole full story of my life in a man. And me just give her a little piece, you see me? So me make Rajic tell a little more about himself, man. Cause me don't know which country he come from, but he need to start describing country and represent him on a country and stop trying this the Jamaican man them, man. So what you say, man?
Yeah, man, you know, say, it's a real Jamaican. Don't wonder why my accent change. Yeah, man, tell about real hard, real get a life. A man come from
Prison.
Yo, I'm coming from prison. I feel like when Jesus Christ has risen.
Hello, you know it's me, the killer, the shouting out of the Bright Spark show. Hello.
yeah. As I was saying, you know, where I come from, you know, man. Come from a place, you know, say, yo. You know, say, when you look at my plate, all I can see, you know, man.
Be a mongrel dog star. Hear them, man, my youth. Care about them mongrel dog. You think a poodle?
Yeah, I hear that. It's a German Shepherd and Rottweiler.
No, man, no German Shepherd and Rottweiler no sound so.
So, well, tell you, so where I come from, so man I eat, and I have to warn that.
How you could
And,
eat so?
Daddy, overnight food, my youth, from last year, my youth. The day before yesterday, my youth. Tell you, man. And so when I got to school and I was a local youth. You hear people that talk about say your shoes are a big bread. Well, my one wasn't begging bread.
Where did that big bulla?
No, a factory a bread.
Oh my word. Wait, you're not saying, man. No, man, you don't know the new style, man. Let me tell you about the new style. You know, my days back then, about 100 years ago. You know what we used to wear? Some slippers, you know, some stylish slippers. See how when the slippers bust, we have to draw for some pin. No, man, let me tell the people them, no, man. When the slippers bust, we have to draw for some pin. You have different fashion style, you know, green pin, yellow pin, white pin. It no matter what color you wear, man. Slippers bust, no problem. Draw for your pin or a nice decorated thing, you see me? What you say now, my boss?
Yeah, you see that was like 100 years back. So, boss man, me ask you a question. How old are you?
I don't know what to tell you, my boss. You know, say me last me age paper the day me born.
The day you born.
Yeah,
100 years back.
Yeah, man.
Why? So, I can guess you're about 300 then.
No, man. Me older than that, man. Ask your grandmother.
My grandmother, I'm a great grand.
No, man, your grandmother, man. She did born them the days they in her mind. Ask her, man.
I'm gonna ask her, but right now I'm not gonna lie. She in a one room by herself.
You can't tell me me can get a one room too. A long time I want to move out of this house here, you know.
Well, the right place I can get a one room. I don't a duff cut.
Really?
Yeah, man.
How much you the plot them?
Free, you know.
Really?
Free like Claro.
Alright, me go put you in a one next week.
But boss man, me things are you want it. Me no want a one room.
No man, a joke me did I make man. See my cardboard house good up man.
Alright then. People, me tell you man. You see, better trick me, you know. Eh, they better trick them, eh? Eh? But me nah say nothing. Them trick them, eh?
I'm not trick no man, a compliment. Me see that me one brethren need that house, so me say, yo, make a look after him, you know.
So, alright. Go on the next topic. So, boss man, me ask you a question. How you want the Jamaican girls?
Wow, we good enough man. We get girls from all over Jamaica. Spanish Town, the parish of Kitsatown, the parish of St. John's Road, all 14 to 50 parishes.
So, yeah, so I realize that you're a big girls, as what them
man,
say.
we don't call it big girls, man. You know what we call him? Just the Jamaican normal players, top players in Jamaica. You see me? You can look at my fan page on at jamaicasplayer.com.
Well, so I was wondering if you can give me some of those girls. I don't want 2 or 1 or 3. I want some women.
Yo, not tell nobody, but I have a couple freaky one day, you know what's my name over here. Nice, they know if it do the thing, and you see me.
Yeah, man. I was dreaming of getting some of those girls. So how you can link me up? How you can link me up with them?
Whoa, my yo, what kind of lick you at about,
No,
man?
link
The
up.
ice cream factory with the youth.
Link up. Everybody on the ear me. Link up, not lick up. On the earn me. Cause guess what? With Jamaica, we not talk about link up. We talk about link up. You heard me?
You see what me I say, man? No lick up business round here. Straight girl who say link. No, you see, the vibes turn up here now, you know, but go and beat a little tune, you know, my girl. So she get a little man record for me, so. She say, yo, Rick Ross, make that tune for you 2 hours, so. I go play it, I know if you know, you see me?
Maybach music.
In the world of so many, baby girl, you are that one. I deserve that. I deserve you.
I'll do anything that you say, anything 'cause you the boss.
I'm the boss.
Rose, a born stunner. I could blow money. 50 when I'm shopping. That ain't no money. I got my jeans sagging. Money stuffed in them. I got 40 wheels. Way too much.
Come on.
I need me a queen. I need me a dime. Living this fast life, just show me a sign. I'm a G. I'm a G. Took her from the lane, put her on that condo on that beach.
Yeah.
All she needs, all she needs is a boss on my level who provides her every need.
Jump on the rhythm to y'all, me dog.
Queen in my presence, I can hold her till I die. Couple G's in the bezel, I'm a boss.
Jump on it to y'all. My virgin Rajiv Rottweiler. Yeah, my boss, dog, bad man here.
Still running the streets, cause every day I'm hustling. Double MG win it in the streets is loving it. All this paper coming in, my baby touching it. I pin her to the wall, you know this boy be bustin' it. Fur coats in the winter look like a polar bear. Stunting in the snow, these haters, they can go somewhere. Indoor pool, outdoor pool, indoor court, tugging Ray J moves. 7 Rolls Royces, pink slips like a boss. Champagne on her body, time to lick it off. Me and baby girl a winning combination. Ownership is my conversation.
Whoa, what kind of liquor man I talk about, man? Yo. Fire. Yo, me telling you, say, man, yo, Jamaican man, no, do no licking around here, man. What? Yo. Man, me have to give him the British thing, you know, man. What the bloody hell is wrong with you, man? Yo, me not understand what I want, you know. Yo, man. No licking around here, man. They drink champagne in glass. You don't lick it up, nobody. I'm the boss, yeah. Whoa, other girl them out dirty, some man. Nobody wait here. Cha. Yeah, see me girl here, Tommy Chin, what you mean?
Got you on ice.
Yeah. She said me controller, whoa! Baby car frozen. That's so me bad.
I'm frozen. Got you out of control, baby. Got you out of control, baby.
You got me good, you got me right, and boy, I like that. There's no confusion about the way I feel about that. This thing we have is ahead of its time. Just keep on doing what you're doing, never change track. Baby, you know that you control me. You got your love all over me. You know you got me feeling like I'm frozen. Baby, you know that I'm stuck on your love. Frozen.
Got you on ice.
Love, baby, I'm frozen.
Shorty wanna come back to my place, talking about she getting hot in that hell. Wanna bring her back to my place, no doubt, plenty room to scream out and yell. You know I be getting my climbing on, baby girl be getting up grinding on. That's the reason why it's so hot. Cool her off and act like it's not, and take her away. But she'll never run away. I got you whining and gliding, melt the ice and start sliding like a snowy day. So come and get it, time it.
Get it. I wanna feel it. Lose myself in it. Baby, I'm frozen. Just let me get it. I wanna feel it. Let me lose myself in it. Baby, I'm frozen. Frozen. I'm so in love, baby, I'm frozen.
Come here, amiga, let me melt you with you like you're frozen. Yeah, man. Jamaican man, they make the girl them frozen style. with a Jeep like me, yeah.
Ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Hey, ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunting is a habit.
In my engine, 26-inch rims. Got fadeaway money, bitch, I'm ballin' out the gym. Got my old school bumpin', hip wheel on recline. If you thinkin' new, work out your monkey ass mine. Diamonds on my pinky, hand on the pine. Touch and down, your mama do the second line. Screens falling from the sky, surf falling in my cup. Old school Chevy thing coming down. Boy, got diamonds in my mouth, got some Gucci on my seat, got G's on my ass. It's cold when I speak, got a freak on my arm, got a charm around my neck. You can go on past the mic, watching about to catch wreck, still screaming out mine. Pistol in my hand, south side so cold. Big face on my chain, 84s on the frame, big bodies coming down, hogging up those lanes.
Habit, hit like me. Hey, ever seen a Chevy with a hit like me? Hey, ever seen a Chevy with a hit like me? Hey, ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Hey, ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunting is a habit.
A little bit of change, now you're bored and blown up. And I'm pouring things with the guts exposed. It's done anything to me, and it's obvious, it's plain to see that you gon' make us both get into some things that is for grown folks. And they might even say you should leave me alone. Don't be scared, you need to get like me. Stunting is a habit, just gotta have it. Shawty could throw anything in me, I'm gonna bag it. No, she see the carrots, but real just like a rabbit. Ain't another boy do the things you like. He ain't your type, change your life. Well, if you did your homework, girl, I'm pretty sure you know what I got. Drop tops, hanging no Jones, and down a golden road. Let me stop.
Stunting is a habit. Hit like me. Hey, ever seen a Chevy with a hit like me? Hey, ever seen a Chevy with a hit like me? Hey, ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air. Hey, ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunting is a habit.
They told me stunting was an art form. Winter time, no time, put the car on. When we don't park, we leave the car on. The bad give me. They say my ride's like purple label. My garage like horses in the stables. Cars all pretty, heart them all drippy. Like the Frankie Better. It's bank stop to all betters. It's tank top and good weather. Once we get all with it, we treat our whips like a. We take the top off and then we jump up in they. It's like we jump up in it. They say we smoke good. We park Ferraris up in dope hoods. Because we so hood, it's all good. They say something is a habit, so put it in the air. 100,000 worth of carrots, I put it in my
Stunting
ear.
is a habit. Hit like me. Hey, ever seen a Chevy with a hit like me? Hey, ever seen a Chevy with a hit like me? Hey, ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunting is a habit. Put it in the air.
Yeah, man, you know, see, I saw we roll still, you know. Jamaican imitation style. We just giving a little bit of all the foreigners, them things that we talk. You see me, man? We are cut out, you know. So stay tuned and listen to us another time. Tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. No say a word later, yo.